So there are a number of things which we do actually. The scope of how we understand participation. Clearly, the linkages thing means that we need to get out of our corners and see participation and take accountability in a much more radical sense that challenges all of us. And I also think that therefore we are also challenged to think about a development model within which all these things are anchored by the linkage in the first place. And finally, I think therefore the political project for how we all bring these things together going forward is very key for addressing how we can overcome why we're skeptical and pose it more as a political one, which was something Mike did, in the set of questions we made. And I think the testing, for example, just shows how, there's some major challenges because the experts have offered us the elements for what to do, and how to do it. And our role in the how starts with how we conceive. I just wanted to confirm myself.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Just sensing process. I don't know why he forgotten about this very important step, which if we want to maximize the revenue, the revenue for the sake of the state and the community, this chain can also bring a lot of money, which most of the time is lost. If you take the example of Mauritania, we have seen many companies which the value chain stops at the exploration steps. They have the license, they do exploration, and they don't care about sustainable development. So this is one aspect. I appreciate them. And according to your presentation, you have been talking about the ideal situation, how the linkages should be in an ideal process. But what I want is the African mining vision focused on what is going on now. And according to me, the linkages exist. Maybe, okay, on the level of diversification, it is very limited. But on the level of the jobs, on the level of the social investment, and on the level even on the research, the linkages exist. What I want is African mining vision focused on what exists. There are a lot of jobs created. There are a lot of social investment made. There are a lot of infrastructures made. So I prefer that African mining vision focus on what exists and try to find solutions instead of idealizing a situation which maybe is not difficult to reach. Thank you.